Hello, Right Side Trader here, April 4th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, daily, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Let's maximize this quarterly chart and get started here. I notice I've been getting kind of winded on these long-winded on these videos here lately, but cutting it back right now. All right, on this quarterly chart, we had a bearish engulfing. We got confirmation of that bearish engulfing on this quarterly chart. We are almost down here to our support 1 level, and we'll be looking for it. I don't think we're quite there yet. We actually could drop down a little bit more before we actually get our bounce. No trade recommendation there, just an observation of where we can go. We got a support 2 further down here, and we got mainly our demand level where this thing shot up out of here is around here in this area here. Let's go ahead and go down to our monthly chart and see what we see here. On this monthly chart, we had a close at the end of the month, end of the quarter, below the 9-10 moving average, which constitute a bear market, and we have gotten confirmation of that bear market. On these quarterly pivots also, we were opening below pivot. So again, based on my trading plan, my trading strategies is to stay below below pivot, stay below pivot. So again, we had went down below. We are already at a support 2 level and all. Till we come down to a support 3 level. The thing is, we have gotten confirmation of that bear market. Where's this thing going to go? Where's this thing going to stop next? Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. Zoom in here on this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, as we can see, we had that bearish engulfing at the wrong location here. And when I say bearish engulfing, again, watch my candle pattern thing right here. That's this candle pattern right here. And again, I was thinking, okay, I was saying this. Normally, I would say this is the wrong location, but based on what has been going on in the market and the events that were coming up, this was giving you a warning sign what was to come. And again, nothing is guaranteed, but based on what we were seeing in the market, with this market going to be opening up below pivot and all, this is a weekly chart, and this is still last month pivots and all, but this is the month that I was looking at the market opening below here and then going below there and all, and we've come close to almost our 500 number, where I think I might have said that we were going to bounce, but the thing was, bottom line, I was expecting the market to drop, and we have gotten confirmation of that and all, and that's what we see here and all. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. And all on the daily noise, let's wrap this. The daily noise was kind of funny this week and all. And this daily noise can really fake you out. And all, that's the whole thing when it comes about trading and intraday trading. Intraday trading, you got some nice bull playing some nice stuff to the upside. And again, that's why intraday trading, again, trying to swing in this volatile market and you don't know all of the uncertainty and don't know what's going to happen the next day. It's kind of hard to carry anything over in this market, other than maybe to the downside if you're in a bear market. And that's what I know a couple of traders did and made crazy money and all. So that's that. But again, these first few days, again, on Monday, one of the things that one of the traders I was on a call I was in, I identified the double bottom. So again, with the double bottom, then getting these 2 days right here, and all, you were thinking maybe to the upside might have been an okay play, but it's all based on your trading plan and your trading strategies. A lot of times you want it to break out of this area right here. Otherwise, you kind of almost got an upside. You got a head and shoulders thing. You don't really have a true head and shoulders going on. Let me tell you what I'm showing you what I'm kind of talking about here. You got this little crap going on right here, and then you had this right here. You had this right here. And all. So the thing was this to come back over down this way at some point, and you don't know how far up it was going to go here. The question is to break out of this pattern that was going on here. It needed to break this top here, and it never broke that top. So again, you trying to get long too early, get in the game too early, this definitely would have burnt you if you did. And that's why, again, being in a bear market, it's better to be looking for those bearish trades at this time. No trade recommendation. Just, again, straighten up your trading plan, your trading strategies to trade what's happening in front of you at the time. And that's all I really want to share. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.